Why should parents introduce kids to robotics and programming at a young age? The current generation of kids are exposed to technology from a young age. Kids as young as 1 year or 2 year seem to know how to interact with smartphones or tablets. They insist on watching YouTube videos, watch play games, or make video calls. Unlike the toys of the previous generations, today kids play with toys that are interactive. It is hard to imagine a future where technology is not crucial. It is imperative as parents that we enable kids to develop essential skills for their future. By robots, we imagine huge, big industrial machines or sci fi robots. But robots have continuously evolved into appliances of daily use. They have become more intelligent and interactive. Today, many types of robots are available and are used in almost all industries. Nowadays, many types of robotic educational kits are also available. These kits introduce the concepts of engineering and programming that are complex to kids in a fun and interactive way. Let me give an example. Say a child has seen a crane, heard about it, seen an image, or seen in real world, or seen a video of how it works, but has not experienced it. With a robotic kit, a child is able to build a model of the crane and experience it, play with it. It's a whole learning process. First, it begins with asking questions of, or a child asking questions of, what is a crane? Why is it required? How is it important? How is it built, or how does it work? During this, the child follows the instructions to build the model. They get to know the functionality of the crane and then they program it. If the child has not built the model correctly, the child has to disassemble the model and rebuild it. While testing, if the model is not working properly, the child has to debug the program and get it working with assistance or without assistance. During this, the child understands that it is okay to make a mistake, get it corrected, and make the model working. At the end of it, the child has a sense of achievement and is proud to share its experience. Of course, the complexity of the model and the programming complexity varies depending on the age and abilities of the child. We see that in this scenario, the child is introduced to the concepts of STEAM, that is science, technology, engineering, arts, and maths in a fun and interactive way. Many times, the child is able to apply the knowledge or learning that it has learned in a classroom in such an environment. There are so many benefits or that so many skills that are inculcated in a child with these learning programs. To name a few, this instills problem-solving skills and improves practical knowledge, boosts confidence, kindles creativity or imagination, improves communication skills, instills perseverance. When we were kids, many of us didn't have access or opportunity for these types of learnings. But nowadays, so many options are available, allowing kids to get experience with this robotics and programming and at a young age allows them to develop skills that is required for their learning process and for the future.